What's up, Mopar fam? I hope everybody out there is having a fantastic time. So today, we are finally going to hit the track with the new injectors and the second revision tune on those new injectors. I have not ran the truck since we have put the new injectors in and we have resolved all the sputtering issues. So today, going to be the first time down the track with these new injectors and no sputtering. But I'm only on the second revision and we still got to get the AFR dialed in. So I think we'll do pretty good, even though it's super hot out here. The DA today is about 29.90. So by the time we hit the track, we're probably going to be about 3,000. And as the night goes down, it'll cool down a little bit, but it's going to stay well above the 2,800 mark pretty much the whole night. So it's going to be pretty hard on us with heat, but we're going to run the truck. We're going to get some passes in. We're going to get some data and try to get it dialed in for next week. Next week, we will be running the truck at Atlanta Dragway in the Hemi Shootout. Torque Storm Superchargers will also be there supporting the show. They are sponsoring the race. So it's definitely going to be a fun weekend next week, that's for sure. Looks like we're going to be racing Friday, Saturday, and possibly Sunday. But definitely going to run the truck. I'm hoping we do pretty good. And that's why we're going out tonight and getting some data so we can try to get it dialed in as much as possible for next week. Granted, from the looks of the weather, it's going to be pretty warm on us. So the DA is probably going to be well over 3,000 when the race kicks off next week. But we're going to have fun. That's all that matters. And we're going to run the crap out of Frostbite. Go check out the Frostbite Ram merch store. I got t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, all kinds of stuff on the merch store. Go check it out. Lots of Hemi designs, lots of Ram truck designs. Definitely something on there I'm sure you'll like. So please go check it out. Help support the channel. I want to give a big thanks to everybody out there. The channel's been growing like crazy and we're about to hit 8,000 subscribers very soon. We are getting so close to the 10,000 subscriber mark. And most of you guys that's been following the channel, when we hit the 10K subscriber mark, I'm going to be doing a super badass giveaway for one lucky person. So definitely stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. And I also have a Frostbite Facebook page. So go check out the other pages and follow on there. Don't miss anything. Stay tuned. And let's go run the hell out of the truck.